Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hey, my name is Kayla, and here we love to talk about all things luxury and high-end makeup and beauty. So today I have a few new makeup products, including the new Charlotte Tilbury Hypnotizing Pop Shots, the Chantecaille Lotus Blossom Blush from their holiday collection, and the new Freck Makeout Club Soft Blur Lipstick. So if you want to see swatches of these products as well as how they apply, then just keep watching. All right, so first I wanted to show y'all some swatches of all the new products that I'm going to be using today. So from left to right, first we have the new Chantecaille Lotus Blossom Radiant Blush. Then we have the Charlotte Tilbury Hypnotizing Pop Shot in Smoky Quartz, and the Charlotte Tilbury Hypnotizing Pop Shot in Emerald Eyes, and then the Freck Makeout Club Soft Blur Lipstick in the shade Main Character. All of them are really beautiful. All right, so now that we've seen some swatches, let's go ahead and see these products in action. So if you're not new to my channel, you know that I love green and I am a sucker for green eyeshadow. So we are definitely gonna be using the Charlotte Tilbury in Emerald Eyes to create a look today. I personally love this packaging. I think that it's so cute with all these like little different color little gemstones on the front. I don't know, I think it's cute. It's really small. Is it worth the $34 price tag? I don't know. I mean, it just depends. It depends on what you think and how you feel about it. I think they're beautiful. So I'm actually gonna take this Sonia G Builder brush from her Lotus collection, and I kinda wanna create, I'm just gonna use this shade, okay? And I kinda wanna create like maybe like a cat eye kind of shape. So we'll see how that works out. I did use both of these during the week, but I used them both with my finger. So I don't really know how it's gonna apply with a brush, but here we go. Okay, definitely not as opaque with a brush, but look at this shade. Oh, it's so pretty. Yeah, so definitely not as easy to apply with the brush. Let me finish creating this shape, and then I'm gonna actually pick some up with my finger to add more to my lid. But let me go ahead and finish creating this shape, which is not, this probably wasn't the best idea to try to do this with like glitter, but you know, it's all right. It's gonna look pretty, and we're gonna make it work. Okay, so this isn't too bad with a brush. I was being really dramatic. I am getting a little bit of fallout, not too much. I do have the Smashbox 24-hour photo finish eye primer on my lid, but I set it with a little bit of powder. All right, so I spoke too soon. That did apply beautifully with a brush. Let me go ahead and just pick up a little bit with my finger. Okay, that was more than just a little bit, and just kind of tap it on my lid to just really build it up, and so y'all can see what it does. See, it definitely applies better with a finger, but that's okay. That's all right, because I was still able to get that shape with that brush. Look at this shade, y'all. I mean, I die. I really do. It's beautiful. It's stunning. The glitter is just out of this world, and it's really pretty. So let me go finish the other eye. I'm gonna add my base and bronzer, and then we'll come back and play with that blush. All right, so I finished my face. I have everything on except for blush and lipstick. I went in with eyeliner with the Lethal Cosmetics and Teresa is Dead collaboration. It is their Side Effects liner in the shade Galactic Goo. And then I also went in with the highlighter from that collection as well, kind of under my brow bone and in my inner corners, and that is in the shade Moon Rock. We are just all for the green today, and I am here for it. So here is the packaging for the Chantecaille Lotus Blossom Blush. That's really hard to say. I had somebody over on Instagram say that this little design was kind of triggering for their trypophobia, and you know, I don't have it, but I can totally understand why. And you know, it's okay. I think it's beautiful, but I can totally understand why this would be triggering. So I had done a video on this yesterday, and I compared it to some of the other Chantecaille blushes in this same packaging and same formula, but I don't know what happened with the lighting in that video. It was a nightmare, but we're here now. But anyways, this blush is 5 grams, which is the same amount in the spring collection, the Ray Cheek and Eye shade. I'll pop a picture of it right here. Whereas their little Flower Power blush, I'll pop a picture of that one right here, is only, I think, I wanna say like 2 grams. So you're getting a lot more product in this one and the one from their spring collection, which I'm totally okay with. So I'm gonna go in with their travel size buff and blur brush, the Chantecaille, and we're just gonna apply it. It's so beautiful, y'all. I know that in swatches it kind of looks warm, but on my skin it is just the most beautiful neutral blush with this just natural sheen. So right before I started filming this, actually I saw where Rachel Goodwin Makeup did Emma Stone's makeup last night using all Chantecaille, and she used this blush, and ooh, I'm gonna have to recreate it because it is stunning. So there's just one really, really light layer. As you can see, it just provides this beautiful, beautiful sheen to the cheeks. It's neutral, it's stunning, and I love it. So we're gonna add a little bit more just so that you can see how it builds up. These blush formulas from Chantecaille in these little bitty packages are really, really stunning. The only one that I don't have is from that Pearl collection that they did, which honestly, I wish I would have picked that one up because it's beautiful. Obviously, we're gonna blend this in, but I mean, I know it's probably gonna look warm on camera, but in real life, it is just such a beautiful neutral shade. It doesn't emphasize any texture, any of my fine lines or anything like that on my skin. It is just really, really beautiful. So here's the side with the blush, and then here's the side without. So if you're just going for a really natural look, you don't even need to add any highlighter because this provides highlight and sheen in its own right, and it's beautiful. I love it. Let me go add it to the other side. All right, so last but certainly not least, we are gonna go in with this Freck Makeout Club Soft Blur Lipstick. On Sephora's website, it says that it's a soft blur lipstick delivering depth and color with a buildable matte finish. It's hydrating and long wearing. So I will say I wore this the other day. I'm not the biggest fan of matte lipsticks, but I really like this one, y'all. It's really, really pretty. So it's just this kind of plastic packaging. It's not the most innovative or, you know, luxurious packaging. It's almost kind of like in the same tube as you'd think like a balm maybe would be, but the formula is something special. So I wiped off, I had some of the Dior Lip Glow oil, I think lip oil on my lips. So I kind of wiped that off. So let's go ahead and apply the Freck. I have it in the shade Makeout Club. No, I have it in the shade Main Character. Y'all, my brain is not functioning today. It is the Makeout Club lipstick, and I have it in the shade Main Character. There, we got it. I love this shade. It's like a nudie, pinky brown. I can't talk and put this on at the same time. It's really beautiful. It's a really thin matte formula, so it doesn't really feel like you're wearing anything on your lips. It's matte, but it's like a natural matte, and I really, really like it. And if you're the type of person that likes to kind of go in and like blur out the edges to just kind of create that blurred lip look, this is so, so beautiful for that. I kind of want to get some more shades. I think there's like 4. There's this beautiful like orangey rust kind of shade, and I kind of want to get that one too. It's not sticky or anything like that. It just smells like lipstick. It doesn't have any kind of scent or anything like that. And it is just really beautiful and comfortable to wear, and I love this shade. All right, y'all, so this is the finished look. Overall, I am super, super happy with all of these products. I know that the Charlotte Tilbury Hypnotizing Pop Shots are expensive, but as far as a single eyeshadow, I mean, yes, the green that I wore is definitely maybe not everyday friendly, but I did wear it as like a single eyeshadow to work the other day. I mean, I didn't do like a wing or anything, and it was really beautiful. But let me tell you, this Smoky Quartz shade is, I mean, if I ever do an updated best one and done eyeshadows, this will be at the top of my list. Like, I debated on buying a backup just because the shade, it's almost like the Dior Beige Mitza, but it's got a little bit more sparkle. I say a little bit, it's got a lot more sparkle. I will say that this one definitely is more metallic with less like chunky glitter than this green emerald eye shade. And for every day, oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So, I mean, yes, they're expensive, but I think that they're worth it because I see myself getting a lot of use out of these. The same goes for this Chantecaille blush. I see myself getting a lot of use out of this, so I can justify, well, sort of. I mean, who can justify such a high price tag for a makeup product? But I will use this. Like, I've almost hit pan on my Flower Power shade from them, so I know that I will use this. I am getting the highlighter from this collection as well as the face powder, so whenever I get those in, I'll do a review on those as well. But this is just a beautiful neutral on me everyday blush, and I really do love it. And then as far as this Freck Makeout Club lipstick, I really like it. I love this shade, and like I said, I do want to pick up more of the shades for the fall. Hopefully they come out with maybe some lighter shades as well, but I really like this for a matte lipstick. I really like it, and the price is reasonable. It's 24 bucks, and with the Sephora sale coming up, this will be a good pick. So overall, I'm really happy with my makeup today and all of these new products. So let me know in the comment section down below if you picked any of these up. If you did, do you love them as much as I do? And as always, if you like this video, please be sure to hit that like button. And if you like my content, please hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you as part of our little fam here on YouTube. And if you're not following me over on Instagram and TikTok, it's at beautybykaylak. I'd love to see you over there too. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye.